Welcome to another lesson from Machine Gun Kelly's 2019 album Hotel Diablo. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play El Diablo. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the first part I'm going to show you is the chord progression that happens during the intro, pre-chorus, and chorus. It's made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E-flat power chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the G string. Next is an F suspended chord. So you're going to bar the A and D strings on the 8th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the G string. Then we're going to go back to the E-flat power chord. Then we're going to go to an F-flat 6 chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 6th fret, or the 8th fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and your ring finger on the 10th fret of the G string. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the first verse. This uses the same chords as the intro, pre-chorus, and chorus, just in a different order. So we're going to start on the E-flat power chord. Then we're going to go to the F suspended. Then we're going to do that 2 more times. Then we're going to go back to the E-flat power chord. And then we're going to go to the F flat 6 chord. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the second verse. We're just going back and forth between the E-flat power chord and the F-flat 6 chord 4 times. It sounds like this. And that's it for El Diablo. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.